Hi, my name is Sung. I'm from Seattle, Washington. I own a body shop called National Auto Collision in Kent, Washington. Found Dent through a website. I was searching for a PDR training, and first thing that came up on Google was Dent. I wanted to get into PDR because that was one of the areas that we were trying to get trained on and provide additional service to our customers. And we are thinking about adding a mobile service, and I thought PDR would be the great opportunity to get trained on and get educated on. We are here for 4 weeks total. It'll be a 2 weeks training, and then we'll be going back to our shop to get hands-on experience on various cars, and we'll be coming back for another 2 weeks in about a month and a half. Yeah, first 3 days we were working on hoods that were off the vehicle, and looking down on a stand versus now we're on 6th day and we're actually working on the vehicle with the dent on the panels. It's a lot difficult because you have to align your eyes to the body structure, and it's been very hard on my body, but it's been a different experience so far. I am very happy so far. It's getting actually frustrated because I see the dents and I know where to push, but to align the PDR tool to exact where the crease is the hardest part. Thank you very much, Dent. I look forward to coming back in about a month and a half.